Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Studios coming to you live from Asia, guys. This is our evening time, drive time, Asia update, guys. And we're going to be talking about, we could be seeing Bitcoin and Dogecoin 10xing pretty soon if Michael Saylor is right. And, Michael Saylor, he's a big, huge Bitcoin freaking maxi, and he tends to know what he's talking about. So this is good freaking news. We're seeing that most of the markets are turning green right now, so that is pretty good, guys. Don't forget to go and smash the likes and show some freaking love with OG. It's a great time to be live, guys. Remember, none of this is financial advice out there, and I would appreciate it if you would go back and watch all my other videos, guys. Don't miss a beat. Don't miss a trick. And remember, we're just reporting the news as we see it, guys. And remember, be careful. Do your own research. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. And remember, never listen to any influencers. Never listen to anything but what's inside your head, or I'm going to bring the smackdown on you, guys. So remember, do your own research, and you only have you to blame if you buy into poo-poo schmata tokens, okay? So remember, the name of the game is do your own research, check out the devs, check out the developers, and never, ever invest in any project that's younger 1 year. And if you do, and you get rug pulled, then you're going to get the hammer from the OG in the house, guys. So it's a great time to be alive, guys. So right now we're seeing that overall the crypto markets are turning green. That is beautiful. Solana is blasted past $75. ADA is on a tear. We're seeing the Dogecoin still below 10 cents, guys. But we're still seeing that Bitcoin has blasted past $43,000. So hopefully by the time you're watching this, we will definitely see that crypto is still uppity, up like crazy. And all I got to say to the bears is, get those bears, bonk on the head for the bears. And if you take a look at the pre-markets right now, we're seeing that the pre-markets are looking okay, slightly up. I think we're going to have a pretty good green day in the U.S. out there. And we're seeing the Bank of Japan. It looks like the value of the yen is going in the toilet, flush. I can hear the profits being flushed away, guys. So is what it is. A lot of news out on the Daily Hodl. If you guys are not familiar with the Daily Hodl, go there. It's dailyhodl.com. Lots of good news. If you guys are looking for some interesting tidbits about crypto, we got analyst predicts rallies for Avalanche, Fetch.ai. We're seeing that under the radar altcoin surges, and that was the Solana smartphone. Remember that optimism. So a lot of good news there. But also, too, something to keep your eye on that. Right now, the priority for Bitcoin, for sending Bitcoin on a high priority, is like $28. Now, around 45 minutes ago, it was like $39. So we're seeing that a lot of people are using ordinals out there, and the price of ordinals is skyrocketing. But it is affecting the price of sending Bitcoin here and there. I mean, the miners are loving it because they're making money like hand over fist. If we take a look at the total TVL locked on chain right now, we're seeing about $51 billion is locked on chain. And number 5 is Solana is number 5, followed by Avalanche and Polygon, Optimism and Cardano, guys, and Chronos. So, some people are saying like, well, OG, when it comes to altcoins, what do we buy? What should we look at? Well, if you take a look at all these layer 1s, layer 2s, anything, in my opinion, in the top 10, okay, top 10 is going to be solid out there. And you can see that, the daily movement, Ethereum is up 1 minute change. Wow, it's like 17%. So you can see overall, take a look at here. But, I still believe that Solana and Avalanche and Polygon and Cardano are my major picks for what's going to really explode when the altcoin season is coming, guys. So if we take a look, let's take a look at the prices right now. We're seeing the total market cap is 1.62 trillion. Out there. And remember, Michael Saylor, if he's right, he's saying we could see a 10x for Bitcoin, 10x for Dogecoin, guys. Wow. 10x, buddy. Wow. Millionaires will be made overnight, guys. So we're seeing that. Right now. We're seeing that Bitcoin is up 4.68%. Good. So your portfolio should be looking pretty good. I was predicting that we would have a Debbie Downer event that would go down to 38,000. So I was wrong. So far, touch wood. So, bonk on the head. I was wrong, but we don't know yet. So, don't discount the OG just yet, guys. We're seeing the XRP is up 1.73%. Solana is up a whopping 8% right now at 75.24. So, guys, I did get the Solana. I'm doing pretty good right now. Cardano's up also almost 7%. avalanche. And I think that when the U.S. markets open, hopefully, keep my fingers crossed, hopefully I don't jinx it out there, is that the markets will continue to go up. Now, I'm a little bit disappointed with Dogecoin. Dogecoin is in the 10th spot. That sucks. And we're still only up only 2%. So that's what's going on. Shiba Inu is up 4.92%. So, the Shiba Inu is pumping when it comes compared to Dogecoin in terms of meme coins. So what's going on? Fear and greed right now is at 73 because Dogecoin is looking good. DXY is kind of just going sideways. Good. Get out of there, DXY. Now, we've seen right here at this point here that Bitcoin has broken out of my descending triangle. We could go on a pump. We got a little bit of resistance at 43,364. We could continue to go on a pump all the way up here. And we did see this resistance here and here twice before on the 13th of December. We got a rejection. Also again on the 14th. So we need to keep pumping, keep going. Otherwise, we can get slam dunk back down, guys. So just keep an eye on that. We're seeing that right now, the Ethereum is also pumping too. It's trying to break out of its this bull flag. And if we do that, we could definitely see $2,400 coming in. So that's what's going there. We're seeing right now a lot of leveraged longs are getting wrecked right now. A lot of leveraged shorts are getting wrecked on the 4-hour. On the 24-hour time frame, we're seeing that's kind of mixed, but it looks like the number of short positions that are getting destroyed right now is building up, so that is pretty good. We're seeing that the total wreckage of the 24 hours has been around 206 million, and it looks like the shorts are building up. They're absolutely building up. You can see in the shorter time frame, the shorts are actually starting to build up against the long. So that could push it into a short squeeze situation. Get your words right. Bonked on their head. Again, the OG getting bonked on their head. So here it is, guys. Michael Saylor, he's coming out and he's saying that Michael Saylor, unprecedented demand is set to 10x Bitcoin. So keep in mind that advisory institutions, those ones that are telling you about retirement funds and this and that, are going to be able to invest in Bitcoin because of the structure of a Bitcoin ETF. And that's going to bring a lot of capital into the markets. And Michael Saylor thinks that we're going to see a 10x. So let's listen to what Michael Saylor has to say about Bitcoin. Let's listen to what he's got to say about this 10x thing. So when banks and responsible custodians are managing Bitcoin, and the industry takes its eyes away from all of the shiny little tokens that have distracted and demolished shareholder value, I think the industry moves to the next level, and we will be 10x from here. That's what Saylor is saying. So let's listen to what he's got to say.
Relating to Bitcoin, Bitcoin is an asset without an issuer. It is the one universally recognized protocol that's a commodity in the space. So when banks on Wall Street and responsible custodians are managing Bitcoin and the industry takes its eyes away from all of the shiny little tokens that have distracted and demolished shareholder value, I think the industry moves to the next level and we 10x from here.
Okay, that's straight from Michael Saylor's mouth. 10x. So we could see Bitcoin 10x, Dogecoin 10x. That will be huge, guys. And Titan of Crypto is saying Bitcoin 50,000 before the halving dynamic is still bullish. No bearish pattern on the weekly time frame. And we can see time and time again. We had this bull trap here. We had a markdown, and this is a Wyckoff pattern, right? And now we're seeing the second retest, and we're seeing the markup. The target, which is this key Fibonacci level here. I think we're going to hit that key Fibonacci level, and that will definitely take us up to 50,000, which is our first target, guys. Could it happen before the halving? I hope so. And if we take a look at the halving right now, we've got around about 120 days to the next halving. So I think that we could see $50,000 coming in faster than the halving, but it depends, right? I still think that I still have a feeling in my bones that we could see some more downside, but things are looking good. 10x from here. Bitcoin is following the rhythm time and time again. We follow the same rhythm, and it looks like, according to this, from the Trader Tardigram, if we follow the same rhythm, same pattern that we've done since 2012, we could see a high of $370,000 Bitcoin. Wow. And guys, this guy has accumulated over $1 billion in Bitcoin in the last 30 days, and he buys exactly 97.8 billion USD in each address and starts buying BTC in a new address again. And he's done it again. You see here, and here. Let's make this bigger. This guy's a monster, a freaking monster. I believe this is institution. This could be BlackRock. This could be one of the big asset management companies who's preparing preparing for the launch of the ETF, guys. I believe it's happening. Also, look at the market cap for the altcoins. It looks like the altcoin market cap, it's above this resistance. This is a 2017 high. We've already met that. That was 2021 all-time high for market cap for the altcoins, and it looks like we're about to blast off again, guys. And when that happens, millionaires will be made overnight, guys. 10 freaking X, guys. And guys, here is some more proof that the ETF is happening. Looks like Bitwise, they did file for an ETF. They are so confident, so freaking confident that we're going to get an ETF that they actually made this commercial, guys. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. Take a look at this.
You know what's interesting these days? Bitcoin.
Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Take a look at that. So amazing that Bitwise is definitely in confident. And it looks like just in, EU Commission opens investigation into X and threatens Elon Musk with sanctions for failure to comply with censorship requests. Oh no, it looks like the EU is now after Elon Musk. What can I say? So guys, long live Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin is here to stay, and Bitwise says ETFs backed by crypto specialists. Wow, 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 guys. So amazing, amazing. Big news is on December 22nd, we got the core PCE data coming in. Not too shabby out there. In terms of total returns, we're still seeing that Bitcoin is up 13.22%. So definitely, I think we're going to be closing soon for the Santa Rally, and it's going to be positive. And we got about 6 more days here in Asia before we hit Christmas. I expect volumes to get lighter as we get into Christmas. If you take a look at Dogecoin right now, Dogecoin is being supported by this upward trending line. We're just in the trend line. If we can continue to follow the trend line, then we could definitely be rallying uppity up. And I really think that 10 cents needs to happen, guys. 10 cents absolutely needs to happen. Out there, we're seeing that market cap is up 1.84%, 13.2 billion. And we're seeing that the volume right now is at $647.28 million out there. So, wow. And, you know, I think that right now we could see a massive reversal in a new report from Galaxy website highlights Doge's poor performance over the last 2 months. However, there has been some changes in the asset that suggest that there could be the tide turning for Dogecoin. So I think, guys, just be patient. I think that Dogecoin is definitely going to be pumping soon. Guys, sending Dogecoin love on this festive year, guys. Happy holidays to everybody out there. Keep in mind right now that, as of time of writing, Dogecoin is around about 0.93. That's down 87% from its all-time high of 73 cents. Okay, so now, guys, we're like 940 days into this current bear market. 270 days less than the historical average, okay? So keep in mind, according to this chart, we still have time before we have a major liftoff, okay? So do not panic out there. We still have time. Although Doge is now trading 543 days above its 2022 low, it's still underperforming in comparison to the last 2 cycles. But I still believe that Dogecoin is going to reverse, and we're going to see a massive pump coming in for Dogecoin. Particularly when we have these ETFs, I think a 10x for Dogecoin is easy peasy Japanesey out there, guys. So that's what I'm thinking. That's what you should be thinking. And guys, don't forget, if you got your crypto on a centralized exchange, get off there, get a freaking hardware wallet. I would appreciate it. Do it right now. Do it right now, guys. And go down and check out my link, guys. I would appreciate it. So what's going on with Shiba Inu? Shiba Inu is starting to pick up a little bit. Basically, it gave away most of its gains that it made here. It's pretty embarrassing out there. It is what it is. It seems that people have moved on to Bonk. Bonk could be the next Shiba Inu out there. So, guys, it's a pleasure. It's a blast, guys. Don't forget to go and follow me on my Twitter. I appreciate it. That's all I got. That is all I got. And you can see Bitcoin ETF. It's freaking trending, guys. It's freaking trending right now, guys. So if you're part of the Doge community, Doge army, don't forget to get to X, get to Twitter, and start tweeting up a storm, guys. I'll see you in the freaking next one, guys. It's a great time to be live. That is all I got for now. Peace out.